Ryan, it's cold. We should build an igloo.
Where's the food?
We don't have it today. We need to build an igloo.
Okay, let's build
Boom,
an igloo.
Boom. We have a nice igloo.
Yes, we do.
I'm gonna go look for stuff that'll warm me because I'm freezing out here.
You should have worn warm clothes like me.
Look, Ryan, I found the skin of a deer.
Oh, cool. Can I have some?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's certainly cold out here.
Yeah, it is. Now, we need to make sure we have our water together so it'll stay warm and keep us warm.
Here's what we should do. We should build a fishing hole and get the water from there. And then when we heat it, it will kill all the germs.
Okay, I'll dig the hole.
I'll go get a bucket.
That's a big hole of water.
Here, Aaron, I
Thank
have a bucket of ice. Let's use this.
Thank you. Dump the ice, put the water in. Then when we want water, we put it in our thermal bottles. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay warm. Bring on perishable food. Yeah.
Yeah.